Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can set up a VPN on your Android phone. At first go to settings, search for VPN, and then you see this plus button here, so tap on it, and then suppose name it to VPN, and then make sure this is set to this one. And for server address, go to Google Chrome, search for VPN gate, and then tap on the first link that comes, and then scroll down, then copy this one, then go back and paste it here, and then set this one to VPN. Name this to VPN and then tap on save. And once you do, a new one is created, and for connecting to it, all you have to do is tap on it, this one, and then click on connect, and then click on OK. And then after loading, the VPN will be connected to you. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.